Good afternoon to the Honorable Bench. We are counsel for the appellant in the case of Mrs. Singhal and Mr. Sid Malhar. Counsel seek the permission to deal with the issue second. The issue second is whether the judgment passed in Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh needs reconsideration. It is mentioned in page number 13. The counsel for the appellant humbly submits that yes, the judgment passed in Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh needs to reconsideration because the attorney of Brahmodat, that was Kedarnath, knows the fact that Dharmodas was a minor at the time of the contract. So there is no point of misrepresentation. That's why preview counsel can dismiss the appeal of Brahmodat and held that there is no point of restitution of debt. But Your Honor, the things are different in present case. In this case, the respondent misrepresented his age and the appellant won't have any idea about the minority of the respondent. Your Honor, my client was unaware of this fraud. The respondent was doing fraud with my client. He showed years of measure, but he was not. He misrepresented his age. It is also mentioned in Khangul versus Lakha Singh case. In this case, minor doing fraud, court can't allow fraud which is done by a minor and get benefits too. Court doing justice and equity to compensate the other party. Keeping the principle of section 41 under the new section 33 subsection were provided, whose conclusion is as follows. If at the request of any party a void or voidable contract is cancelled, the court may order the return of the benefits received or the payment of reasonable compensation. And second, when the minor acts as a defendant and treats the contract void by reason of incapacity, the article or money or benefit received in the contract shall be returned to him. In short, section 33 says that amendment of section 41, whenever cancel out the void or voidable contract, then the party received the benefits to compensate and restore the other party. As a result of this amendment, the argument that minority should be used as a shield, not a sword. The minor, whether plaintiff or defendant, must return the money received under the contract. Your Honor, if minor have relaxation, then he should not have misused the relaxation he have. On the other side of the judgment passed in Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh was in 1903, and many things changed throughout the movement of 100 years. So there's also need to reconsider the Mohri Bibi. There's also need to reconsider avoid ab initio in the case of Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh, because time has changed and minor is also entering an agreement. As nowadays, minor has to travel, visit the malls and cinema halls. They have to transfer money. Indirectly, they are entering into agreements with many people. So, there's also a need for new provisions for the minor also. Instead of making whole contract as void ab initio, we can also use at different factors like guardian, mutuality, restitution and compensation. So, the judgment passed in Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh needs to reconsideration. That's all, Your Honor. If the bench satisfied with the submission of our counsel, the counsel seek the permission to submit the prayer. The appellant respectfully requests this court on the basis of prior and foregoing written submission to find and declare that to hold the contract between Mrs. Singhal and Mr. Sid Malhar as valid, and second, to reconsider the judgment passed in Mohri Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh case to allow the plea of restitution of appellant, and fourth, to uphold the judgment passed in the civil court of Sardam. Pass any other order which court may deem fit in light of justice, equity and good conscience. Respectfully submitted by the appeal counsels for the appellant. The appellant respectfully requests this court on the basis of prior and foregoing submission of to find and declare that to hold the contract between Mr. Singhal and Mr. Sid Walhar is valid. Second, to reconsider the judgment passed in Mori Bibi versus Dharmodas Ghosh case. Third, to allow the plea of restitution of appellant. And fourth, to uphold the judgment passed in the civil court of Sardam.
Uphold, sir. Kindly uphold, sir. Kindly uphold the judgment. नहीं, गलत है उनकी प्रेयर, उनको अपहोल्ड नहीं करवाना है, उनको कोई ऑपोजिट साइड है, अपहोल्ड नहीं करना है. केस यहीं रखा तो पकड़ पा देगा.
Much obliged, sir.
Your Lordship, kindly counsel seek permission to approach the dais. Your Lordship, I am here in the Honorable High Court of Sardam under Section 96 of Civil Procedure Code 1908 in the matter of MS Singhal and Singhal as appellant versus Sid Malhar, respondent. Your Honor, in order to save court's time, I have a small submission before the court that it has been quite a long time that the court have been hearing a lot of cases. So I would like to directly come to the main point, as the statement of facts is already available in the document on page number 7 and 8, and along with that, the issues that are being raised in this case is on page number 9. There are 3 issues that needs to be focused upon. Your Lordship, as my learned counsel has already said, I would like to start my argument from there, that they have already accepted that this is a case of minor as ab initio. That is the fact that I want to claim here. And the second, the concern that they have raised, that this whole property was being constructed for enjoyment of my client. But Your Honor, I have a submission to make here, that this whole property was not made for the enjoyment or any kind of necessity of my client, Your Honor. And the third one, and I think that's a fallacy here, because Your Honor, on page number 7 and 8, there are no statement of facts which says that the property was being used for 3 years, as my learned friend has already quoted here, that it was not being used for 3 years, Your Honor. And the fourth one is about the recovery of the properties. I would like to talk about all these. My submissions will be regarding the same, Your Honor. And as the first issue, I will be covering the first and the third issue, while my fellow counsel is going to take the second issue. Now, Your Honor, talking about the first one, as my fellow counsel has already accepted that this is a case of minor contract, and as an ab initio, as the judgment given by the Civil Court of Sardam, that any contract which is being made under Section 11 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, any contract is null and void under any situation. Your Honor, I would also have a small submission here, that this is not just a case of minor and a company doing the construction, but also this is also a landmark judgment, that is the Mori Bibi versus the Damodar Das Ghosh. It's a landmark judgment, or based on which there are many judgments which has been taken. If today this honorable court is going to take any reconsideration in this case, then that is going to have an impact on all the cases that has been on which this case has been the foundation. Your Honor, this case has not been shook in the last more than 70 years, because being a minor in our country is a very sensitive issue. I agree to the fact that there has been cases where some alterations has been done, some judgments have been made, where some corrections have needed to be taken. As in the report of my fellow companion, they have also mentioned the Nirbhaya case. I would like to bring to the court's notice that if in any kind of a heinous crime or any kind of a major fraud, as to say, then there is, of course, I would request the honorable judges to take any and their own discretion, whatever judgment is needed to be required. Yes, Your Honor, that is my submission, and I would also like to add that the definition of majority in our country is that when any person is above 18 years, then he is considered to be a major, and then any kind of contract that is being made with that particular individual is valid and void. Your Honor, the second submission is, as my fellow companion has already presented, that my fellow counsel has already said that the payment about the construction that is being done. Your Honor, I would like to bring the notice of respected judges onto the statement of fact that in point number 10 on page number 8, it is being said that the construction that has been already done, Your Honor, was up to the amount of 3 lakh rupees. And with this respect, no document has yet been provided in the court where it proves that the construction has been made more than 3 lakh rupees. Your Honor. And also about the 7 lakh rupees, Your Honor, on the point number, I would like to bring to the court's notice on point number 11, where it says that the SID has decided to dispose of the property, but applicant tried to restrain him by putting enormous pressure in order to recover the amount. Your Honor, I would like to refocus on this point where putting enormous pressure in order to recover the amount is my focus. And at that point, when this contract was being built, my client was minor, and when he reached the age of 18, pressure was being built on my client to make this contract, the second contract that has been presented, that my client agreed to pay 20,000 rupees per month to recover the 7 lakh rupees, Your Honor. So this is the point I want to make, that the client is very rich. They are running a construction company, and my client is just a singer. And I would rather put, sir, he might be a very, as in the first point, it says that he has won the Sensation Voice of Nations award and he's a prodigy. But sir, on the other hand, he's trying his really hard to make his career, and he also, that was the only reason that he had constructed the building so that he could run a studio. But unfortunately, when his first album was released, that couldn't pick up, and my client couldn't make that amount of money. No, sir, that is not the reason for not paying the money. But the point that I want to present here is that my client is a prodigy, and sir, he's trying really hard to build his career. And being a minor, it is our responsibility as a society, as a court, to support him, not to demotivate him, sir.
कहने का मतलब उससे संविदा करने दिया जाए, किसी से 7 लाख 10 लाख 8 लाख करने दिया।
No, sir, of course not. I have a request to the court to accept the fact that any kind of such agreement, such situation should not be supported or should not be given any kind of a motivation. But I would like to restrain the whole conversation to this particular case, Your Honor, that at the time when this contract was released, my client is very aspirational and he wanted to build a career, and it was never his malice intention, you know, to hold anybody's money. But sir, on the other side, we also have to look into the fact that the construction that was being done only was up to the amount, for which I have already presented before the court that no document has been submitted. Sir, we have already made the payment of 3 lakh rupees, Your Honor. Your Honor. Your Honor. But sir, Your Honor, again, I would like to add another point here, and the point is that though no estimation or bills have been produced before the court that justifies that the whole building was constructed for 10 lakh rupees, Your Honor. The amount was paid 3 lakh rupees, but it was no guarantee that 3 lakh was paid only for the ground floor, Your Honor. The payment was made till the first floor was constructed. But after that, no payment was done. But sir, that doesn't mean that the 3 lakh rupees was only given for the construction of ground floor. That is my submission before the court, sir. Your Honor. Your Honor.
बात ये है कि जब एक तरफ आप अपने आप को अवयस्क कह रहे हैं,
वही तो हम कह रहे हैं कि अवयस्क की संख्या प्रारंभ से 1 2 है, लेकिन decided by others.
True, sir. I agree, sir. That is the submission before the court. Your Honor.
आपने कहा है,
Sir, that
आपने कहा है, होने के बाद कहा।
Your Honor, with due respect, that is the point. That is the reason why I have raised the point number 11 in the statement of facts that an enormous amount of pressure was put on my client, Your Honor, and any minor who is the age of 16 or 18, he is not that fully developed intellectually, if I could say that,
हम वहाँ जा ही नहीं रहे।
Your Honor.
18 साल जब प्राप्त कर लिए, मेजर हो गए, तब आपने कहा है ना कि हम बकाया राशि का भुगतान करेंगे।
But sir, that was, Your Honor, that was under a lot of pressure was being put under the minor.
कॉन्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म हो गया है, आप कैसे वापस हो सकते हैं?
But Your Honor, when the first initial contract was not valid and pressure was being built on my client, then he had to enter the contract. And sir, in section 11, in the definition of section 11, any agreement of contract is only valid when it is a competent to contract and free consent of parties. And my submission before Your Honor is that it was not a free consent. My client had to enter the second contract because he was under pressure by the client, which is being mentioned in the point number 11 in statement of facts. Your Honor, if I would precise, I would like to say that it was a forceful contract because my client was a minor and he was not fully intellectually developed.
आपका अटेंडिंग में
Your Honor,
वहाँ जा ही नहीं है, उसको हम मान नहीं सुनते।
Your Honor.
18 साल के जब आप हो गए, तब आपने वादा किया है ना।
But Your Honor, in the case, I would like to present here that as from my fellow counsel's report, he has taken the case of Narayan Singh versus Chirag Ji Lal, where it says that it is not defined in the law. Allow me a minute, Your Honor. Sir, I have taken note of this case where it says that if a minor accept money except for necessities, he cannot be compelled to repay it. It is clearly defined in there, Your Honor. And any contract made with him as a minor is valid against him. But if when he is fully aged, if he takes up the responsibility of paying back, there is no reason either in law or equity why his agreement should be deemed unlawful. Your Honor, by that I mean to say is that even if he agrees after being a major, if he agrees, there is no law which can enforce him to pay the amount to the petitioner.
आपने बकाया राशि का भुगतान करने का वचन दिया।
Your Honor.
प्रॉमिस उस ऑफर को उन्होंने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है। कंसिडरेशन ऑलरेडी दिया जा चुका है।
Your Honor,
किया जा चुका है।
Your Honor, that payment of my submission is that payment of 20,000 rupees a month for 7 lakh rupees was not by choice. It was being forced upon us, and then my client had to come into a contract. If Your Honor allow me, I would like to call my fellow companion to present the second point, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. इसको लगाना